Good morning all. Today we will discuss the topic market distribution channels and factor affecting choice of marketing distribution channel. So myself is Pratima, Assistant Professor GFGC Vittadapura. So in this chapter we covered first is meaning of marketing distribution channels, types of marketing distribution channel, factors affecting marketing distribution channels. So after that summary, and next is reference, evaluation, and last one is assignment. So first let us discuss about definitions of marketing distribution channels. So there are so many authors given the definition for the term marketing distribution channels. Among the two important one is the first one, which was given by Professor W. Stanton, and the second one was given by Richards. So let us discuss about the first definitions, that is which was given by Professor W. Stanton. So according to Professor W. Stanton, channel of distribution is the route taken by the title to the goods as they move from the producer to the ultimate consumer or industrial users. So in these definitions, we highlighted the three important terms. The first is route taken. So route, here the route is nothing but the path taken. As we know that every manufacturer want to distribute the goods to the ultimate consumers. Then only he can achieve his objectives. Suppose if the manufacturer is not able to reach the customer within the prescribed time, then it will give a loss for the manufacturer. To reach the objectives or to attain the profit or to increase the profit, the foremost objective of any manufacturer is to reach the product to the ultimate consumer as early as possible. As early as possible is nothing but he has to choose the route to reach the consumer within a reasonable time. So that is what we call it as a route taken. And the next is producer, and the next one is the ultimate consumers. As we know that consumer or the customer is the king of the market. We have to retain the consumer. It is very important and very difficult task for the manufacturer. In the last class, I explained that creation of customer is not a difficult one, but retaining the customer is a very difficult task for the manufacturer. Suppose if the manufacturer is unable to reach the customer within the prescribed time, then the customer may switch over to the another product. So channel of distribution is nothing but the channel taken or route taken by the title to the goods as they move from the producer to the ultimate consumers or the industrial users. Got it? And the second one is as per Richard. So according to Richard, a distribution channel is the path or route decided by the company to deliver its goods and services to the customers. In this definition also there are three important terms. The first is path or the route. The second one is delivery of the goods, and the third one is the customers. In these two definitions, the common thing is the route taken by the route taken chosen by the manufacturer to deliver the goods to the ultimate consumer is called as a channel of distribution. Hope you got the point. And the next is summary of the above definitions. From the above definition, we can summarize the concept as follows. So channel of distribution is the route composed of the intermediaries. Intermediary is nothing but, so as we know that we have heard about wholesaler, retailer and agents. So these are all the persons we can call it as a intermediaries, because here these intermediaries will purchase the product and will sell the product to the ultimate consumers. So these intermediaries will act in between the manufacturer and the consumers. That's why the agent, the middleman, and wholesaler and retailer, these are the person we can call it as a intermediaries who perform such function that needed for the smooth flow of goods from the manufacturer to the ultimate users. Suppose if the manufacturer is in one place, the customer is in the another place. If there is no intermediaries, the manufacturer is unable to reach the consumers. To reach the consumer within the stipulated time, to reach the consumer in the prescribed time, the manufacturer will take the help from the intermediaries. Here the manufacturer will pass the product from his godown or from his warehouse to the agent. The agent will pass to the wholesaler. The wholesaler will pass to the retailer. Ultimately, the retailer will pass the product to the ultimate consumer. So, the main intention is to reach the consumer as early as possible. So that is what we call it as a marketing channel of distributions. And next is types of distribution channels. So we come across two important types of distribution channel. The one is direct channel and the another one is the indirect channels. So in the next class we will discuss about what are the types of distribution channels. Thank you.